Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. So आज हम करने लगे एक बहुत ही summer friendly breathable skin care. I've literally lost the grip on all of this, but yes, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial जो कि आप इस तड़पती हुई गर्मी में भी कैरी कर सकते हैं for events, क्योंकि once again शादी season is coming up and of course आप zero makeup के साथ तो जा नहीं सकते. You will look good for it, and for that I will teach you how to do it the summer proof style. As you guys know, हमेशा वीडियो से पहले मेरा skin prep हो चुका हुआ होता है. So once again the skin prep is done. So अब एक और addition to the skin prep is going to be a BB cream. So you can use any BB cream that you like. I personally really like this one. So BB cream होती क्या है? BB cream is a mix of moisturizer, sunscreen and a little bit of foundation tint, which is amazing for summers. So I'm just going to take some of this and I'm going to apply it all over my skin. I love ये जितना glowy है ना, I can't even tell you कितने मज़े का effect आता है इसका. So I like to apply my BB cream using my hands क्योंकि वैसे ये more like a skin care product होता है. So it's better कि अगर आप इसको अपने हाथों से अच्छी तरह से blend कर लें, because that's when you get the best skin like finish. ऊपर से ये इतना lightweight होता है that there is no issues whatsoever in terms of the heat. So just like that, you can see that the BB cream has blended nicely, और जो पूरा skin का finish है after blending the BB cream has come out to be flawless. Yet it's glowy, not something that's sucking all the life out of our skin. It's all there, but I think it looks pretty nice for now. So the next thing that I'm doing is I'm going ahead with a little bit of concealer, and वो सिर्फ इसलिए because I still have a few spots on my skin that are left untaken care of. This Bashir right here, he says hello. He really wanted to be a part of today's video, so he's here. And just a few dotties here and there. That's it. So I'm just going to be blending this using my fingers only because considering the heat, there's a lot of heat in the fingers and nothing blends better than your own fingers, and so that's what I'm doing right now. So right now you can see that my face is like an empty canvas, लेकिन साथ साथ क्या हुआ है, सारी जो skin का bit था ना, that is taken care of. It's not matte, it is glowy, it is giving life, लेकिन अभी it's not summer proof. इसको मैं summer proof करूँगी. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Cheeky Tint, which is my favorite. You guys know that already. I got it nearing my wedding. This is like the best summer thingy that you can get for yourself. Because color कितना cute है. Can you see that? अभी blend करूँगी ना, फिर देखना. I'm also going to be blending this with my fingers, as you can see already, because ये जितने भी products मैंने लगाए हैं, ये सारे liquid products हैं, cream products हैं, and they actually settle very well in your skin if you're using your own fingers. That is something that I have noticed. So I'm using the L'Oreal True Match for setting my under eyes. As you can see कि मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी set नहीं किया था. This is the first thing that I'm going to be setting, because अभी तक जितने भी products थे, they were all cream products. I wanted to put them into place first, and now I'm setting all of them together. I'm just setting my face now so that everything stays in place. So I just did my brows as usual. Wala part मैंने skip कर दिया because you guys already know how I do my brows. Now I'm using my forever favorite. You guys know about this one, right? My Praline palette, and I'm just going to set this blush into place as well because ये भी हमने cream लगाई थी. So now to set it in place, we need to have a powder blush on top as well. And by the way, I'm also taking it a little above this time, like थोड़ा सा आंखों के पास, because I have noticed that it gives you the most beautiful under eyes. So that is done. So now that the skin is done, अब जाकर skin done हो गई है, and you know that this is going to stay. अब मैं eyes के बारे में ये सोच रही हूँ कि इतनी गर्मी में अगर हम बिल्कुल ही dark सी eyes कर देंगे ना, तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा. It's not gonna give a very ठंडी feel. So I'm thinking that rather than doing a full-on brown or something, let's do a nice light shimmery summery eye makeup. How about that? So for this I'm going to be using a highlighter palette. ये है Ofra का highlighter palette, but आपके पास जो भी available हो, that's amazing for this. and I'm just going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush. अच्छा मैं जा रही हूँ towards a more champagne-y highlight. So I'm just going to take some of this and I will apply it onto my eyes. क्योंकि हम एक बहुत ही ग्लोई मज़ेदार सी लुक की तरफ जा रहे हैं and this is not at all hard to do, इसलिए मैं इतना ज़्यादा इसको simple रखती हूँ because literally anybody can do this, you understand? Anyone can. So now we're going ahead with the mascara. So in such instances जब आप अपनी आंखों को इतना light और simple रख रहे होते हैं, even mascara can do, but a lot of mascara, I am an eyelash person क्योंकि eyelashes से पूरी look ऐसे उठ के आ जाती है. So I'm going to be doing both of those. I'm just going to apply these onto my under eyes. A little bit on the top lash as well. ये हम खैर ज़्यादा heavy coats नहीं करेंगे अगर हम eyelashes लगाने वाले हैं. But if you're not going for eyelashes, I would say go all out on your mascara. Now I will be using my Essence eyeliner. अगर आप लोगों को कोई ऐसा eyeliner या फिर काजल pencil चाहिए जो कि smudge नहीं करता, I would suggest that you guys go for this because बहुत ही budget friendly है एक तो, and the quality is amazing और smudge नहीं करता. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this into my under eye. अगर आप लोगों को कोल नहीं पसंद, you can definitely skip this. The lashes, I'm going with Tahani. You can also purchase Shop Glossip lashes from the link in the description box. So I'm just applying the lashes onto my eyes now. Coming back to my most favorite palette of all time. I don't know when am I going to get tired of this. होता ही नहीं है. I'm just going to take a little bit of a brown shade. I'm not going with a black smudged liner, but I want to go ahead with a little bit of a brown smudged liner because that is what's summer friendly. Black automatically बहुत dark कर देता है सब कुछ. So I'm just going to be applying this on top of my lash line. बिल्कुल जहाँ पे lashes की top line आएगी ना, बस वहीं पे आपने इस brush को आराम से इस तरह से blend कर देना है अपने eye shadow को. And don't worry, इसमें कोई precision की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. It's not like a tough eyeliner जो कि हम जिनसे भागते हैं, ये वो नहीं है. This is the easiest form of an eyeliner because this is a smudged eyeliner. I'm also going to be using the same light brown eyeshadow for the under eyes. And you can see कि once this is completed ना, एक फुल मज़े का ग्लैम सा ही लुक आता है. इतना सिंपल सा था लेकिन लुक फुल ग्लैम सा आता है. So that's the best part. A little bit of highlight for the inner corner like that. Now for the lipstick, because the lipstick is always a confusion for me. सही है, मुझे एक pink shade के साथ जाना चाहिए या probably with a nude pink. I have no idea. Maybe let's mix it up and see how it turns out. So now I'm using the Bobbi Brown lipstick. I wanted to go with a nuder lip, लेकिन मज़े की बात यह है कि आप इस लुक को किसी तरह से भी elevate कर सकते हैं. अगर आप इसको day to night लेके जाना चाहते हैं, you can definitely add a little bit more pink into your lips and it will suddenly become a more of a night glam. So I'm just fixing my hair a little bit so that you guys can still see the final result of this look. And as you can see, it's done and it's really pretty. आप इसको आराम से डे टाइम में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आप इसको नाइट टाइम में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It's completely up to you. Alright, so this is it for today's makeup tutorial. Do let me know कि आपको किस किस्म के makeup tutorials देखने हैं या किस किस्म की videos देखनी है, and I will be bringing those to you. However, stay tuned because I am going to be bringing a lot of styling shorts for you guys on YouTube as well as on Instagram. So don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!